within the root system. And after this is the tribal sub-plan, what we have done, I have given a small glimpse of in our farmers field, what we have done, this technology in the IOFS mode. So this is the one village in Minsan, and after that we have taken 2 more villages, Pinthar and Umden Unbathia. So this is the real picture from the farmers field. We have developed different raised and sunken bed in different and lots of vegetables, because vegetable is a very high demand and farmers also want to vegetable due to the high market price. And this is the Jalkund technology. This Jalkund technology has been just started from our honorable director sir Mishra sir in his earlier period, and after that this technology has become popular very much in the northeast, because in upland condition in the hills, although there is too much rain for 7 or 8 months, but virtually no rain from November to March. And this, by plastic sheet, we can store 30,000 to 50,000 liter of water, and this water can be used for growing winter vegetable crops and also for the supporting of the livestock. And we can also use the bamboo machan, if we see, so that we can take a second crop and the evaporation rate is reduced substantially. So water will stay for longer period. And also we have done the root water harvesting by connecting small pipe, and our director of IFS and Modipuram sir also visited our fields, and Ravi Shankar sir also. And this is the vermicomposting unit in plastic bed. This is very just small amount, only 3,000 it is cost, but it can produce up to 1 ton of FOM in 3 or 4 cycles. And farmers are very much interested in the vermicomposting because they can use their residue and they can also enhance their quality of the materials. And this is the some sort of the integrated organic farming system developed in farmers field picture. One farmers, they are also growing for some fishery, 50 to 60 fingerlings. He's also releasing in the Jalkund. And we are also promoting some improved breeds of pig as well as the poultry birds like Banaraja and other things. And this is also a beautiful model you can see in our farmers field. This is IOFS model. And from 1.3 hectare area, he's getting about 60,000. So this is near about to 1,75,000. And I am just want to tell one very interesting point. In recently lockdown period, in the lockdown period, they cannot take their product outside. Our organic IOFS model farmers generate a very good income by selling their produce in the nearby markets. We have also demonstrated, our Bhaskar sir is telling the organic farming. We have our Pankaj Vaishnavar sir, he's the senior scientist and plant pathologist. He's also co-PI under this project. So we have also initiated secondary agriculture like mushroom for their income, sir. And this is the dance, sir, because here farmers are mostly growing pineapple along the slope. So what happened after 2 or 3 years, their yields decline and soil loss is also more. So we have developed this technology across the slope cultivation, and along with you can see this is the green ground. We have sown intercrop. So this green ground also enhance the soil fertility and reducing the soil and water loss. So pineapple size has been increased, and pineapple size has a direct correlation with the market value. If the size is more, then he will get the more price. And so this is the some income from this pineapple farmer, sir. And also we have developing just very important. This is the community nursery, because all these vegetable crops, maybe broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, tomato, are very highly costly. So farmers cannot afford 1,000 or 2,000. So we are promoting them to make a community basis. 3 or 4 farmers, they are producing the seedlings and they are distributing or selling among the fellow farmers. And this is the different also technology, SRI method, ICM method, liming, and also the furrow sowing. Although it is very much common for the mainland, but in the northeast, farmers are using very traditional technologies, and with the little intervention of improved agronomic management practices, their yield can be enhanced substantially, sir. So this is also the mulching, and this is some technology of the ginger and turmeric, sir. And we have done lots of trainings and capacity building programs for just disseminating our organic farming technologies to the farmers field. If you see, we have also promoted different type, and from our institute TSP as well as the TSP from the NPO Modipuram, we have different input, seed, and other farm implements to the farmers to initiate organic farming in a systematic mode. And we have done just one small organic outlet in the roadside highway so that they can sell at a better premium price. And we are already in the process of the certification in PGS mode with from Prakriti or one organization, and I think within 2 or 3 months our farmers can get their certification, so they can sell in the another market also, sir. And this is the picture of our organic farming technology of package of practices. This the lead by Dr. Anup Das and ourselves of more than 33 crops, and it has been forwarded by our honorable DG sir. We have also one book published. What about the technology organic farming we have disseminated in the farmers field? We have recently published one book. So how to do in the farmers practice, how to do the PRA, how to start the organic farming in farmers field in a systematic mode, and all the success stories is there. So anyone can read. We have also shared with state government, sir, and it has been, we have just forwarded our honorable DDG, sir. We have done different vernacular languages extension leaflet of different technologies, made IOFS, lentil production, pea production, and other things, so that farmers can also use they can understand better how to grow in a visual picture, and they're ready to understand their local language, sir. And we are also trying to promoting with collaboration with the state government and the MOVCD scheme, sir. Thank you, sir.